Okay, me again. So we found where the trail comes up from down there. See the steps there. Up here. It goes to right in here. And we lose it again. So, but we did. And that right there. And also, while I got the camera on, show you what I found over here. Another tree pushed over here. That's a brand new one there. Not even snow. A little bit, but I mean that's just like from this morning. Pretty cool, huh? There's a bunch of stuff pushed down. So yeah, this trail just seems to come out of the creek and back to the creek. Let's go see what goes this way.